Hello everyone, welcome to the Python problem solving series. In this episode, we will solve 10 important Python questions from easy to medium level. These questions help you crack internships, coding rounds, and build strong fundamentals. Let's start. Our first question is given a number and you have to check whether it's an even or odd. So basically, for solving this problem, we have to use the modulo operator. If a number leaves zero remainder when divided by 2, it will even, otherwise it will odd. So here n equal to int input enter a number as the number should be integer data type. So input is used for taking input from the user using keyboard, and if number modular division of 2 equal to 0 means that remainder if will 0, then it should print even, and if not that, then it will be printed odd. So this is a classic beginner logic check. And the next question is find the sum of first n natural numbers. Instead of using loop, we use the mathematical formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. This will give instant results and better performance. So the code will be n equal to int input. This will input a number and the total is defined as the sum. So total will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Print total. This will print the total or total sum of the n natural number. And the next question is count vowels in a string. So for solving this, we first convert the string to lowercase and iterate over each character and count if it matches any vowel. So the code will be s equal to input dot lower. Here input function is should used for taking input and lower function is used for convert the string to lowercase. And initially we have to declare count equal to 0. For character in S, if character is pseudo A, E, I, O, U, then it will increase count by 1. And finally, it will print the count function. This will simple and effective. And the next question is reverse a string. Here in Python, slicing is instantly reverse the string, so it should be easy. Here S equal to input and print a slicing minus 1. This is cleaner compared to the manual loops. You can also solve this problem using loops. And the next question is find the factorial of a number. As we know, the factorial of a number n is the product of all positive integers from 1 to n, and it is written as n factorial. So instead of writing loops or recursion, Python's math modulo does it efficiently, and this is perfect for large values. So the code will be import math, that means it will import the math modulo, and n equal to int input. This will input a number and print math.factorial of n. So this will perfect for large values. And the next question is check palindrome. A palindrome reads the same forward and backward. We simply compare the string with its reverse. So it will s equal to input. This will input a string and s equal to its reverse. If the reverse of the string will be same for the initial string, then this will print palindrome, otherwise it will print not palindrome. So the next question is largest of three numbers. So basically we have to use Python's max function automatically checks the largest among the three values. So this will abc equal to map int input and split print max of abc. That means it will print at the maximum of the three numbers a, b and c. And the next question is list contains numbers from 1 to n with 1 missing. That means if we know the expected sum of first n natural numbers and subtract the actual sum, we get the missing number. So this is used in many coding tests. Let's solve it. Array equal to list map int input split and n equal to length of array plus 1, missing equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 minus sum of r. That means it will be printed the missing. And the next question is frequency of each element. So basically we have to use frequency.getX.0 to avoid these key errors. This builds a dictionary storing the count of each element. This is very useful in real programs. So this will be this type. And the last question is check prime number. As you know, a prime number is a number that has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Or in simple word, a prime number cannot be divided by any other number except 1 and itself. So we only check divisors up to root of n, which makes it this version much faster than a simple loop. So n equal to in input, that will input a number from the user, and if n less than 2, that means it will not prime, else it will work as for I in range 2 int n exponential 0.5 plus 1, and if n modular division I equal to 0, that will print it not prime, and then it will break, else it will print prime. So this is optimized approach used in competitive coding. In this session, we solved 10 important Python problems, that is even and odd, sum of n numbers, vowel count, reverse string, factorial, palindrome, maximum of 3 numbers, missing number, frequency count, and prime check. Each of these concepts trains you thinking for coding interviews. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Comment episode 2 if you want the next set of 10 questions including loops, lists, strings, and pattern problems. See you in the next problem solving session. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.